When we raise a child, we sometimes encounter embarrassing situations. This is especially true when innocent children suddenly ask or act about sex. There are parents who are embarrassed about how to answer their child's question of how to have a child. In fact, many parents tend to avoid or feel burdened about sex education. The book Please Take Care of Sex Education provides students with a proper and beneficial sex education. Children experience physical changes as they grow up. The most obvious difference is that their voice changes and your genitals start to grow hair. Having the right knowledge to prepare for changes in the body helps them cope with changes wisely. Now, here's the question. Why do we have pubic hairs? The genitals are one of the most vulnerable and sensitive body organs, so the pubic hairs are there to protect it. Just as the nasal hairs in the nose filter out the dust soaked with the air. Just like falling on a grass or mat will hurt you less than falling on the cement ground. Like this, pubic hairs are there to protect the genitals. It's a natural process of becoming an adult, so you don't have to be shy or embarrassed. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel. It was Korean Library. Thank you.